The 5 biggest truck manufacturers. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you the 5 biggest heavy-duty truck manufacturers in the world. Watch until the end and see who it is that collectively produces the equivalent of 1,246 vehicles every single day. Can you already guess who it is? Now let's get to the first manufacturer. Number 5. IVECO Group. Annual truck production 150,000. IVECO Group is a global manufacturer of commercial vehicles, including trucks, buses, and vans, with its headquarters in Turin, Italy. The company was founded in 1975 through the merger of 5 different companies from Italy, France, and Germany. Since 2013, IVECO has been a part of the C&H Industrial Group, which also includes brands like Case IH, New Holland, and FPT Industrial, but demerged from C&H Industrial in January 2022. IVECO Group has a broad product range that covers various segments of the commercial vehicle market. There are 8 brands including IVECO, Astra, IDC, Magirus, and so on. IVECO has a global presence with a total of 26 manufacturing facilities in Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia. It also has an extensive dealer network that covers more than 160 countries. Along with 35,000 employees, they are able to produce around 150,000 vehicles annually. The company has a strong focus on sustainability, with a range of alternative fuel and electric vehicles in its product lineup, including a variation of gas solutions. Number 4. PACCAR Inc. Annual truck production 185,000. PACCAR is a global technology company that designs and manufactures premium commercial vehicles, including trucks, buses, and engines. The company's 3 main brands are Peterbilt, Kenworth, and DAF, all of which produce high-quality, heavy-duty trucks for various applications. PACCAR produced around 185,000 trucks worldwide, with their production facilities in the United States, Canada, Mexico, the Netherlands, and Brazil. The company operates 18 facilities worldwide, including 7 in the United States, 5 in Europe, and 6 in other parts of the world. The brands Peterbilt and Kenworth are based in the United States and produce heavy-duty trucks primarily for the North American market. DAF is headquartered in the Netherlands and produces trucks for the European market. All 3 brands are known for their quality, durability, and innovation in the commercial vehicle industry. The new DAF has already won International Truck of the Year in both 2022 and 2023. PACCAR was founded in 1905 as the Seattle Car Manufacturing Company and has a long history of producing high-quality commercial vehicles. Peterbilt was acquired by PACCAR in 1958, while Kenworth was acquired in 1945. DAF became a part of PACCAR in 1996. The company has invested heavily in advanced technologies, including hybrid and electric powertrains, to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Number 3. Traton Group. Annual truck production 254,000. The Traton Group is a global manufacturer of commercial vehicles, including trucks and buses, with its headquarters in Munich, Germany. The group comprises several brands, including MAN, Scania, and Navistar International. The Traton Group produces a total of 254,000 trucks and buses worldwide. The Traton Group has manufacturing facilities around the world, including in Europe, South America, and Asia. MAN and Scania have a total of 35 production sites in 17 countries, while Navistar has facilities in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. MAN is a German brand that produces a wide range of trucks and buses for various applications, including long-haul, construction, and distribution. Scania is a Swedish brand that produces heavy-duty trucks for long-haul transport, as well as buses and coaches. Navistar International is an American brand that produces heavy-duty trucks primarily for the North American market. Also, the VW truck and bus is a part of the Traton Group tailored to markets like Latin America, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. The Traton Group is committed to innovation and sustainability in the commercial vehicle industry. The group has invested heavily in advanced technologies, including electric and autonomous vehicles, to reduce emissions and improve efficiency. 2. Volvo Group. Annual truck production 262,000. The Volvo Group is a Swedish multinational manufacturing company headquartered in Gothenburg, Sweden. The company is one of the world's leading producers of heavy-duty trucks, buses, and construction equipment, as well as marine and industrial engines. Some of the brands that are involved are Volvo Trucks, Renault Trucks, Mack Trucks, UD Trucks, and IVECO. In total, there are over 100,000 employees, 13 brands, 190 markets, and 18 production facilities around the world. They are the second largest manufacturer of heavy-duty trucks in the world, and their products are renowned for their quality, safety, and performance. Volvo Group has a significant presence in several markets worldwide, including Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The Volvo Group produces a broad range of truck engines that are used in its own brands, and range all the way from 200 horsepower to the big D16 with 750 horsepower. Volvo leads the market for electric trucks. Volvo trucks have now sold more than 4,300 electric trucks globally in more than 38 countries. In Europe, Volvo Trucks is the market leader with a 32% share of the market for heavy electric trucks. Number 1. Daimler AG. Annual truck production 455,000. Based in Germany, Daimler AG is the largest truck manufacturer in the world. They have been in the industry for over a century and have consistently produced high-quality trucks. Daimler AG produces trucks under several brands, including Mercedes-Benz, Freightliner, Western Star, Fuso, Bharat-Benz, and Unimog. Their trucks are known for their durability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Daimler AG was founded in 1926 and is one of the world's oldest and most well-known automotive manufacturers. Today, they have over 100,000 employees and over 40 production sites around the globe. Daimler AG owns the engine manufacturer Detroit Diesel Corporation, which is a leading manufacturer of diesel engines for commercial vehicles, including trucks and buses. In addition to Detroit diesel engines, Daimler also produces engines under the Mercedes-Benz, Fuso, and Bharat-Benz brands. All of these engines are designed with an emphasis on efficiency, reliability, and performance, and are engineered to meet various emission standards and market requirements. It's nothing less than incredible that Daimler Group produces the equivalent of over 1,200 vehicles every single day, all year round, which makes them the world's biggest heavy-duty truck manufacturers in the world. And as if that wasn't enough, they manufacture over 2 million passenger cars and vans a year. These are the 5 biggest heavy-duty truck manufacturers in the world. These companies have consistently produced high-quality, reliable, and efficient trucks that have revolutionized the transportation industry. From Daimler AG to Traton Group, these manufacturers have left an indelible mark in the industry and continue to lead the way in producing heavy-duty trucks that meet the needs of today's transportation needs. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.